Hi, what is your name?
My name is Tom. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
That's great.
How about you?
I will stay for 1 month.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Me too.
Do you swim well?
A little bit. You?
I swim very well.
That's cool.
Do you want to swim later?
Sure, I would love to.
What time do you want to go?
Maybe at 3 p.m.
Sounds good.
What hotel are you staying at?
I stay at the Blue Sea Hotel.
Oh, me too.
Really? That's funny.
Yes, it is.
Do you like the food here?
Yes, very much.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. You?
I love burgers.
Nice.
Do you want to eat together after swimming?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, ice cream is the best.
What is your favorite flavor?
Chocolate. And you?
Vanilla.
Yum.
What do you like to do in the evening?
I like to walk by the beach.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like to listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. You?
I like pop music too.
Who is your favorite singer?
Taylor Swift. And you?
Ed Sheeran.
Great singers.
Do you want to go to a party tonight?
Maybe. What time?
At 9 p.m.
Okay, I will think about it.
No problem.
Are you traveling with family?
No, I am with friends. You?
I am with my parents.
Nice.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 19 years old.
Cool.
Do you study at university?
Yes, I do. You?
Yes, I study too.
What do you study?
I study art.
That's interesting.
Thank you. What do you study?
I study engineering.
Wow, that's smart.
Thanks.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Me too.
What countries have you visited?
France, Italy, and Germany. You.
Mexico and Japan.
Amazing.
Do you want to travel more?
Yes, of course.
Where do you want to go next?
Maybe Greece. You.
I want to visit Australia.
That's far away.
Yes, but it looks beautiful.
I agree.
What is your hobby?
I like painting. You.
I like playing guitar.
That's cool.
Thank you.
What time is it now?
It is 2:30 p.m.
Oh, almost swimming time.
Yes, let's get ready.
Shall we meet at the pool?
Yes, let's meet there.
Are you bringing a towel?
Yes, and my sunglasses too.
Good idea.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love the sun.
Me too.
Do you wear sunscreen?
Always.
Smart.
Shall we take some photos?
Yes, good memory.
Can you take a photo of me?
Sure, say cheese.
Cheese.
Can I take a photo of you too?
Of course.
Great.
After swimming, where do you want to eat?
Maybe at the beach cafe.
Sounds perfect.
Do you want pizza or burger?
Pizza for me. You.
Burger for me.
Do you want to get drinks too?
Yes, a cold lemonade.
Me too.
Are you ready to swim now?
Yes, let's go.
Yay, let's have fun.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis. You.
I play basketball.
That's fun.
Yes, I love it.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite movie?
I like The Lion King. You.
I love Finding Nemo.
Both are great.
Do you like reading books?
Sometimes. You.
Yes, I love novels.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Me too. Magic is fun.
What are your plans tomorrow?
I want to go on a boat trip. You.
I will go shopping.
Sounds nice.
Do you want to join the boat trip?
Yes, that would be amazing.
Great. Let's go together.
Sure, I'm excited.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, but I'm shy. You.
I love dancing.
Let's dance at the party tonight.
Okay, I'll try.
Awesome. See you later.